I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Targus ErgoFlip EcoSmart Mouse. It is a mouse that's made of about 85% recycled material, and it is a unique design and a unique style mouse because it is made for everyone. That's right, no matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, this mouse is for you. Let's have a look. Right off the bat, I'm going to point out the fact that the battery comes included in the mouse. I love that fact. It uses a AA battery and Targus provides it. Of course, Targus is a world leader in accessories. They have many different accessories from keyboards, mice, backpacks, docks, all these things, and this mouse is really impressive. As I was mentioning, it goes for both people left-handed and right-handed. Let's see how that looks. So right off the bat, you'll notice that this mouse comes in two parts. So it actually separates from the base, which has the laser, and it's got the actual mouse part, which you put your hand on. And you just line these two things up with the metal that's in here. And just like that, it magnetizes together, and you're ready to use it with your right hand. And if you're going to go ahead and use it with your left hand, all you do is flip it. And just like that, you have a mouse that can go with your left hand, no problem whatsoever. And because maybe you're not going to be the only person who's going to use this mouse, so let's say you have a spouse, kids, perhaps another person at your office who's going to share the desk with you and have a standard keyboard and mouse, this actually can handle up to 3 different devices. So there's a button here on the bottom, and by the way, this connects via Bluetooth, no USB dongle, so you get fast speeds even if you're going to do gaming. And it's a button here that goes button 1, 2, and 3, and you can actually switch between all 3 of these connections just by pushing the button really easily. Like most modern mice, this mouse features standard left and right click buttons, a couple extra buttons on the side here so you can configure those for something special, a button underneath the track wheel, and of course the scroll wheel right here. So you have super customizable flexibility. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you're going to use it on the right hand side or the left hand side because it's easily swappable. And just like that, you're ready to go. Another cool thing that Targus have thought about is they use antimicrobial technology in here. So if you are sharing it with someone in your household or in your office, you're not going to necessarily get the bacteria going from one person to the other. Of course, it's not 100% bacteria free, but it does a great job. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0, so you get better signal, better battery life. This mouse is just a wonder to use. Great response times too, especially for gaming. All in all, a great product from Targus. And I really love the fact that it does both left and right usage. I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone put a mouse for a right-handed person on the left-hand side, and of course you're putting it at a weird angle because if you're left-handed, or if it's one of those left-handed mice and using it on the right side, it just feels weird as a righty to use it. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.